This is the Maple parking lot. We're staging a lot of heavy equipment here. Looks like there's another large loader going in, bringing in some fill. You can see the crane down there. Looks like they're filling in. They're filling in whatever project it was, that big concrete piece I was talking about earlier. Anyway, these guys are ready to come in and do their thing. We're gonna come around. I don't think I can get in there. It's a construction site. They probably got it all closed off. Actually, they got it fenced off. So I can't come in. This whole area is fenced off right now. So I can see the fence. They got it all around the parking area there. This whole area is cordoned off. But anyway, so maybe I'll go back up that way. We're gonna go around. Hey Lana, Marissa, you wanna go wiki woo? Let's go this way. I got Larissa. We're gonna go wiki woo. We'll go down this way. Woo! Big steep hill. Careful. There you go. Here I sit, or here I stand, in what is probably the smallest park in Canada. I don't even know what the name of it is, but it starts just there where that post is, blocking the sidewalk. Here's the park. Fence fell down up over here. And park continues, there's light. Ooh, we got lighting here. And the park ends right there. There's our street. So behind me is the railroad. In front of me is where Stonebriar goes, right, Lala? So you ready? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. We're going to go through the GO train station platform, if we can.